Hey guys, I know I haven't made a YouTube video in a long time, but I am making a video now on how you, tips on how you want to build a Humvee that tends to look a little bit like this. Before I get into this video, I want to just say that soon I will most likely have another video on a very large brick arms haul, so stay tuned for the next video after this video. Most likely will be that, maybe a little bit videos. I know I haven't made a video in a long time, I'm sorry about that, but anyway, so let's jump right into it. I just built this Humvee earlier today, and it took probably about a good hour and a half maybe, and here's just some good tips. What I recommend is flat surfaces look very good, and I figured out that I was looking at a picture of a Humvee, and I figured out it'd be a good idea to have some of these side studs and attach something that's built like this to it. Doesn't matter what's on the underside, so kind of did that. Soon this will be armed with some very cool looking soldiers. Anyway, the turret, it was quite a simple turret actually. Just some a machine gun right here. No really controls in there. I didn't put any controls, but there will be a guy in a vest in there, so it has to be kind of big. Because if he wears a vest, it doesn't fit. And then it just got some swing opening doors. I don't actually put in rear view mirrors. I just count these clips as rear view mirrors. And back here, I just made this as a block. You really don't have to put anything in there if you don't want to, or if you think it's going to be hard. And then there's just a big antenna. You can't even see the top. It's really tall. And for when if you want your Humvee to do this, or a little bit of this, kind of shock absorbing a little bit, what I recommend doing is having it so the tires are only connected in one direction, so it flexes upward. And yeah, so that's pretty much all for the Humvee. I'm gonna tell you about the next video, which I'm very excited about. So in the next video, I've got all these dudes lined up in the back for one main reason. So I just recently made a very large Brickmania order, and I'm going to make a video, most likely, on the opening of that. And so we've got a yellow team and a black team. Not a black team, a tan team, and we're gonna arm those guys with Modern Warfare guns, and then we're gonna give the yellow team this Humvee since it'll fit with their armor. And over here, I've got two stormtroopers. We got a scout trooper and a shock trooper, and we got a spaceman, just a custom guy, and then two Mandalorians, and we're gonna arm those guys with brick arms. And it's a very large order, so it'll probably be a fair-sized video, probably a lot longer than this very short video. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be very exciting. How about if this video hits say 5 likes in the next week or so, maybe a little bit more, I will build another modern military vehicle. I hope you guys enjoyed, and this has been a great video, and yeah, see you.